A lamp that does not go out even in strong wind. Around the middle of the 3rd century Hegida, 9th century AD, the Banu Musa described a lamp that does not go out even when it is used in a strong wind. The half-cylinder which encloses the lamp is inserted in a frame in such a way that it turns easily. The brass flag attached to it causes the half-cylinder to turn with the closed side towards the wind whenever there is a movement of air, with the effect that the lamp cannot be extinguished by the draft of air. The easy movement of the bearings play a decisive role so that the flag can turn even in a soft breeze.